If we are going to play soccer, we have to understand how the game works. This will help us better understand our coaches, teammates, and referees during practice and games as they tell us where to place the ball and where our teammates are on the field. Today, we are going to build a soccer field and learn the specific names for each line on the field. The soccer field is essentially a rectangle. The two shorter lines on the field we call end lines. The two longer sides of the field we call sidelines or touchlines. In the middle of a soccer field is a line that separates your side of the field from your opponent's. This is called the half line. There is also a circle in the middle of the half line called the center circle. This is where our opponents have to stand outside of during goal kicks, but more on that later. One of the most important things to know is on each end line there is a goal. Your team attacks the goal on your opponent's end line, and you defend the goal on your end line. Inside the field are two large boxes that touch each end line. These are called the penalty boxes. When the goalkeeper is inside the penalty box, she can use her hands. If she goes outside of the penalty box, she becomes a field player and can only use her feet. Inside each penalty box is a goal box. This is where the ball is placed if the ball ever crosses over your end line and the attacking team last touched the ball. In each corner of the field is an arc and a flag that will mark each corner. The arcs are used to restart the game when the ball crosses over the end line and the defending team last touched the ball. Finally, in 9 and 10U soccer, there is an extra dash line in each half and is found between the penalty box and the half line. This is called the build-out line. We'll explain the details of the build-out line in a later video. Now, let's quiz you and see if you can identify the line that the ball is on or crosses over. If